Okay, so I'm working again on the 1947 S11 DeSoto sedan custom. That's what it looks like. I took the intake and exhaust manifolds out. That's what you see. And now, down here is where the valves are. Now, there was so much. I think this car was neglected for so long, and the owners never did an oil change, I think. It's been sitting for years. So what happened was the engine oil actually turned into pretty much grease. It's so thick. Now here, I already cleaned it up quite a bit. We still gotta clean it up more. But you'll see how that looks kind of better already. Now next to it, I'm gonna show you what it looked like before. And this one's gonna be just as bad. So I loosened these bolts here. Yeah, they weren't this loose. I just loosened them before the video. There's one out. Okay. So I just used these guys here just to loosen them up. There we go. You see already on the screw, on the bolt, how greasy that is. Now I might need a screwdriver to pry that out. Oh, this one's a little harder than the other. On the other side. Okay, looks like we'll have to hit it with the hammer. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna hit it with the chisel and hammer gently because there's a gasket here.